Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Canva PDF editor or Adobe Acrobat PDF editor tool that I developed, which entirely runs in the browser. It's a static tool which doesn't require server, and it's lightweight, it's very fast as well. You can even try this as well. I've deployed this on my website freemediatools.com/Canva Ultimate PDF Editor, and if you land on this you will see this interface, and it is entirely built inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and you will see this interface, and there is option here to open or edit your PDF file here. So here you will simply select whichever PDF file that you want to edit. So as soon as you select the PDF, you will see the PDF file will get rendered right here. It contains two pages. This is the first page, this is the second page. We have all these controls here. We can zoom in, we can zoom out, we can add a new page here, add a blank page as well. So if you click it, you will see a blank page will be added. You can even delete this as well. So by clicking the dustbin icon, you can delete pages, you can add blank pages as well. And if you want to add more PDFs, you can even merge PDF as well by clicking this, by adding more PDF documents. And then we can navigate to the second page, to the next page. You can see that all these controls are there. And we also have the compress quality option as well. So if you basically want to compress the size of PDF, you can, from this drop down, you can reduce the quality here. For this original, maximum, high quality, medium, low quality. If you want to reduce the size, you select the low quality and simply download, and now the size is considerably reduced. Here you will see 32 kilobyte, and you will see the text is little bit of blurred and the size is decreased. Then we actually have all the capabilities to edit this. So we have the text tool. So just add this, whichever location you want to actually add your text. You can actually annotate here. So what you need to actually annotate, highlight. You can change the color here or using this color picker as well. So you can see that we can change the color of the text as well. So then we also have the highlight option as well. So you just click it to whichever portion you want to. You can even change the color as well. You can see that. Then you can actually control it. We go to the second page. Now if you want to highlight it, you can simply, you also have this dustbin icon as well, side by side. If you want to delete this, you can even delete this. Simply click it and this will appear, and here you can highlight it. This is for annotating it. So simply click the draw option. You will see, just go to the select tool here. You can even select. Then we also have the signature capability as well. So let me just show you. This is actually the source code here of this ultimate PDF editor. It is, you can see, it is entirely built inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript. These are three files you will get. If you want to purchase it, you can check out the live demo which is deployed here. Before purchasing it, at the checkout page, I have given the link in the description of this video on my website procodestore.com. So after you purchase it, you will actually get this zip file from Google Drive automatically, and then it contains these three files. You simply run this HTML file with live server. So this will actually open your project locally. So you can just see it runs entirely in the browser. So it is running it in the browser here. So here you select your PDF file, whichever PDF file that you want to edit. So that file will be, you can see that you can zoom in, you can read the PDF document as well, and then we have all these options. Simply drag and simply add the text here. You can see that text will be added. You can see at any location you can add. You just need to click it at any location. After dragging this text tool, simply click at any location and then just type your text, and here you can even change the color as well. So you can, so I'm just telling you how to do this, and then same goes for signature as well. Just need to drag it. You can even clear it as well. So if you want to clear everything, you can click this option, so everything will be deleted. And after you make the changes, you can, if you want to highlight something, you can we have also the download button as well. So if you see, if you want to download the modified file, you can see the changes have taken place. You can try this tool, guys. Just going to freemediatools.com, I added this tool here. You can see Canva Ultimate PDF Editor. So simply select the PDF file that you want to edit. So it can even contain images as well. So you can see now this PDF file is containing images, so we can reduce the quality of it by simply selecting low quality. So it will reduce the size of it. It will little bit make the images, you can see that. So the quality remains the same, but can even add watermark here. You can see that. You can draw, annotate, you can change the color here. You can see everything you can do. You can highlight, and lastly we can even add digital signature. This window will appear, so you can simply save your signature like this, and then simply click the download button. So this tool, guys, is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and let me show you the libraries that I built using. So we are using jsPDF library, PDF-LIB library. You can see that we are using the CDNs of it, and then we are using the PDF.js library. For it's a Mozilla based open source. All these libraries are open source. You have known jsPDF as well. So if you, let me show you one by one. So the first library is jsPDF. If you know what I'm, just write jsPDF. This is actually the library. It also have Node.js module as well, so it's a PDF generation library. Then we also have this library PDF-LIB, which is again an open source library for editing the PDF files in the browser. So we are using this as well. And lastly, we are also using PDF.js Mozilla. If you just type this is used for rendering our PDF documents right in the browser using HTML5 canvas. So we are just using these three libraries in conjunction to build this entire web application, which runs entirely in the browser. So you can see no server-side code is involved. It's a static website which runs in the browser. It's very easy to deploy as well. So once you purchase the source code, you will see this whole JavaScript code you will be able to edit this code as well. So it's add additional functionalities. So it's a great project for students as well. You can see 1400 lines of JavaScript code is there. Then we also have the CSS code as well. This is your HTML file. So these three files you will get after the payment. The link is given in the description, guys. So you can directly purchase this Canva or Adobe Acrobat PDF-like editor. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.